Dear God, spirit guides and teachers and angels, and loved ones on the other side, thank you for the gift of life that flows through me. Thank you for the lightness that reminds me I'm never truly bound, that joy lives within me, ready to rise. Today, I release all the heaviness, all worry, all fear, and I hand over the burdens I was never meant to carry, and open my heart to ease and grace that brings joy. Help me remember the child within, the one who laughed freely, trusted completely, and believed in the goodness of life. May I see the beauty in ordinary moments, find laughter in the unexpected, and feel gratitude for the smallest things. Lift my spirit so I may soar above the noise, seeing life from a higher truth, that I am guided, supported, and deeply loved. May this lightness fill not only my heart, but ripple out to everyone I meet this week. And as I fly high in the joy, may I help others remember their wings too. And so it is. Amen.